The Swedish rental system is highly based on a first-come, first-served principle, so it's important to get in the queue as soon as possible. So how do I get an apartment? At Bostaden, our biggest rental company in Umeå, you'll follow 4 steps: registration, application, receive offers, confirm your interest. Let's go to bostaden.umea.se and choose English in the top menu. As said before, the registration date is crucial. Under the login field, you'll find Register a Personal page. Fill in the form. Please note that some fields are mandatory and that it's okay to register without a Swedish personal ID number. You can choose how to communicate with Bostaden. Email is the default setting. After you've read the terms, mark the checkbox and click Save. The registration is done. Click on the number above Student Accommodation and you will see a list of available apartments and dormitory rooms. You'll see what queue date is needed for a certain object and get a brief description of it. Enkelrum means single room in a dormitory. The list is divided by area. Click Apply next to the objects you are interested in. You can apply interest for maximum 3 apartments per day. To get a student apartment or dormitory room, you must study at least 15 credits per semester. Please also note that an apartment cannot be transferred to another person. The day after you've applied for an apartment, you will see if you're number 1 to 8 in the queue. If so, you get an offer to see the apartment. You must accept or turn it down within 3 days, which is done on your personal page or by contacting Bostaden. On your personal page, you can also see if the queue priority changes. Please note that your answer is binding. The registration date is reset if you get an apartment, unless it's your first dormitory contract. Then you get to keep your registration date. After a credit check and an electronic signature, the apartment or room can be yours.